There are 6 different types of sampling methods that every psych student should know about. First up is random sampling, where each person has an equal chance of being picked. For example, if you want to pick 10 students from your school for a research study, you can randomly draw their names from a hat to ensure that everybody has an equal chance of being chosen. The good thing here is that every member has an equal chance of being selected. On the other hand, it can be difficult to implement with large populations. The second one is stratified random sampling. This is where you divide your population into groups, or strata, like boys and girls. Then you randomly pick from each group. For example, if you're studying anxiety levels across different age groups, you would randomly select people from each age bracket to ensure that your study has a balanced representation of all age groups. This is good because it ensures that all important subgroups are included. However, it means that you also have to have detailed knowledge of the population structure, and that could be a lot of work. The third one is systematic sampling, and this is where you, for example, choose every third, fourth, or fifth person from a list. For example, if you have a list of 1,000 names and you pick every 10th name, then you are using systematic sampling. It's simple, but can have bias if there's a pattern in your list. The fourth one is cluster sampling, where you divide your population into clusters, like neighborhoods or schools, and then you study them. This method is cost-effective, but might not represent the whole picture. The fifth one is convenient sampling, and this is where you pick anyone who is, well, conveniently there. For example, you want to do a survey on stress, so you conveniently ask your classmates in your psychology class to do the survey. It's quick and easy, but it might not represent the entire population. The sixth and final one is non-probability sampling. This means that each person doesn't have an equal chance of being selected. This is because, like convenient sampling, you choose people who are most convenient for your study, or you judge people based on who you think will be the best people for your study. This would ensure that the participants for the study have the highest level of expertise possible. However, this could lead to biased results as it doesn't represent the broader population. So, those are the 6 different types of sampling methods that you, as a psych student, should know about. Catch you later.